Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is Earth. Earth. The planet Earth where we live is a beautiful planet. It comprises of land and water, desert and oceans, hills and plains. It shows two types of motion, rotation and revolution. Let us understand few terms before moving ahead. Earth, North Pole, South Pole. Axis. Axis of the Earth is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the Earth. This axis is slightly tilted. Poles. The 2 points where the axis seems to enter are called the poles. Equator. The imaginary line that divides Earth into two equal halves is called equator. Northern Hemisphere. The upper half is known as Northern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere. The lower half is known as Southern Hemisphere. Movement of the Earth. Revolution. The Earth moves around the Sun. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. Rotation. The Earth spins on its axis. This movement of Earth is called rotation. Orbit. The revolution of Earth takes place in a path called orbit. Solar year. Earth takes 365 half days to complete one revolution. Effect of Earth's movement. Day and night. Rotation of Earth causes day and night. As the Earth rotates, one half of it faces the Sun. The part that faces the Sun has day and the part that faces away from Sun has night. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate once on its axis. Earth faces sunlight day and other part night. Seasons. Explanation. The Earth revolves around the Sun, but its axis always remains inclined in the same direction. The Earth takes 365 half days to orbit around the Sun. Position A. In position A, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun and has summer. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from Sun and has winter. Position B. In position B, days and nights are equal and it is autumn season. Days are longer in summer and nights are longer in winters. Position C. In position C, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun and has summer. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun has winter. Position D. In position D, again days and nights are equal. This is the spring season. Why does the moon look different every night? The moon appears to be different shapes because we only see the part of the moon which is lit up by the sun, and this is different on each day. These changes in the moon shapes are called phases of the moon. Crescent, half moon, full moon, half moon, and crescent moon. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.